And the Mahabhagavat, you must have heard these terms. Mahabhagavat means the highest devotee. Mahabhagavat, we say Uttam Bhagavat. Uttamadikara is a measurement of Vishwas, faith. Uttam Bhagavat is a measurement of how much the person has realized and seen Krishna. This is in 11th Canto Bhagavatam and other places. So people say the Guru should be Uttamadikari. So this is the general description by Rupa Goswami. Uttamadikari. Uttamadikari is not Uttam Bhakta. Uttamadikari and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, he explains 3 levels of adhikari. Means eligible qualification. Kanishta, Madhyam, Uttam. So the Uttam Adhikari, and Rupa Goswami explains, the Adhikari is a measurement of his knowledge of Krishna and his faith in Krishna. Nothing about the measurement of his bhakti. He may be a Nishchita Bhakta. He has Nishta, which is not a joke. That's a high level. Everyone has looked at Madhurya Kandamani and the symptoms of Anishchita Bhakti and Nishchita Bhakti, then they'll understand it's a tall order, as we say.